Africa is the richest place in the world. Diamonds and gold, billionaires and millionaires, and my people dying from starvation. I just want to know, I just want to know what you gonna do when your people dying from starvation. What you gonna do? Black man, tell me what you gonna do. Your people dying.
Whoa.
And they dying from
Believe.
starvation. My people dying.
Do you know many people,
from starvation.
they do believe in all they're doing.
What you gonna do about that
And belief does not work in nature.
and they dying from starvation. They ain't got no food.
Belief is a thing that comes from
No food to eat. I said, what you
human being
what you gonna do about the situation?
that think
What you gonna do?
it is true.
What you gonna do about the situation? Your people dying one by one.
Belief have no proof in life
People dying
of any doing whatsoever.
by two. What you gonna do, my people? About your people? What
Look in the element and believe it's not there and see what's happening.
dying one by one?
Close your eyes and believe the element is not there when you hope in it. It doesn't work. For you to know things, you have to see them with your own eyes by someone telling you that becomes belief. But when you see things with your own eyes, you know that it is there, or it is. So don't get caught up with belief. And that's why we are in a big old dilemma. In olden days, my people did not believe anything, because the word believe is a new word. Believe is to trap your mind from proof. And that's what I'm talking about. So if you're going to go with belief in your doing, you are going to waste a lot of time. Make sure you have proof in your doing. You believe you're going to be getting rich and you don't save your money, you can believe all you want to. You're not going to get rich. If you believe you're going to build a house without money, you can believe as much as you want to. You ain't going to have a house because you're doing believe. You got to have the money. You know what they call money? You got to have the money to buy the material or to buy the land. This way you're not playing games with your belief. I do not know any person that believes they're going to get a house or get some land, accomplish their belief. Belief is something pertaining to Christianity. And Christianity is to fool the mind of the people. How do they fool the mind of the people? Telling them about a creator, unseen man that will help them in all their life struggle. That's how it is. And by they believe in that manner, that's what's going on. Belief is not a proof of anything. So it doesn't matter how you believe, it doesn't work. Plain and simple. Belief doesn't work, as everybody just believe and get what they want. Everybody just believe and get what they want. Just believe you get a house. Just believe you get some land. Just believe you're going to get some four-footed beasts. So do believe. As I said, this planet belongs to the people, especially the black man. But he let other race of people came in existence and took it away from him. So he hearkened unto their belief that he's going to get it back. He's not fighting to get it back. No. He's not fighting to get it back. And that's why the white men have all the land. Have you ever think of it? Have you ever think 3/4 of the land on the planet, the white people own it? Have you ever think in that manner? And how do they own it? They take it away from other people. They took it away from other people. And some people cannot see that. No. Some people cannot see that the white people take the land away from the other race of people. The black people, the Indian people, they took all the land. Am I lying? You know I'm not lying. You're just afraid to speak up. And then they gave them a master or a savior named God and named Jesus. And the Jesus have not done anything for the black people. Neither the God that they gave them. Look, black people doesn't have any food. And black people do not have any land to plant their grains or to raise their four-footed beasts. They don't. So what are you saying? Black people lost their sense of direction. They're not thinking. Why they're not thinking? Because they're steadfast in the belief of the Jesus. And all of the icons of the Jesus are white. So therefore, you must respect the white people, because Jesus is white. Do you think I'm bullshitting you? Ask the white people and they will tell you. They bow down to this white icon, and that's what black people do. Because that's what they believe in. And by they believe in that, they've been messing up. So, what are we going to do as black people? I'm just driving and talking. Because the black people mind have been locked up in Jesus and tangled up and wrapped up. So we cannot find our pathway through our doing. Our doing have been messed up by the white man. Interference. How can we protect our people? Look, what I'm saying, I have not seen anybody. When I mean anybody, I've not seen any black leaders that trying to speak in that manner how to protect the black people. They're not thinking that way. Because we let other people kill our people. And by we let other people kill our people, we cannot protect our people. And we also is killing our people. You could imagine? The black man is killing another human being that look just like him. Over some silly things. Drugs, alcohol. So we're doing a lot of messed up. Don't talk to them about Jesus. They get real upset. They call you devil worshiper. They will say you don't believe in God. You don't believe in Jesus. Why do you need to believe if he is? There is no reason to believe. That doesn't make any sense. Believe is when there is no proof. So that's why you believe. But when it's proof, you do not need to believe. If I told you the ocean dries up when the ocean is there, do you believe that? I don't think so. But anyway, if you want to do believe and think believe is going to be working for you, good luck. But for me, I don't do believe. If I do not see with my eyes, I leave it alone. Plain and simple. If you do not see with your eyes, leave it alone. And that's how things are.
I said, what you gonna do? What you gonna do about the situation? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
And that's how I do things, my brother.
Your people dying.
Talking for myself.
One by one. Your people
So for those of you that is believing,
dying two by two. What
continue
you gonna
believing.
do, my people? About your people. What you gonna do about your people? They just dying one by one.
Peace, respect.